Yo, brother, what's up? I'm so tired. Right for 5 hours. Wait, let me introduce first. I haven't even said anything, you know. Okay. Alright guys, today I'm back in KL and I just reached here about 4 to 5 hour ride lah. So guess who with me? Hey! It's him again. So we are going to eat this nasi lemak burung hantu, right? So we are going in. This one is one of the popular nasi lemak in KL. Let's go. You order first, I'm just gonna order whatever you order. I think the standard one.
Standard nasi lemak.
Promote sikit lah, promote.
Ayam goreng nak dua-dua ayam ke?
Ayam goreng. Boleh.
Okay.
Terima kasih.
Do you want to add anything extra?
Okay, let's see what they have.
Sambal sayur, mie.
Bang, apa yang popular bang? Apa yang popular kat sini?
Sambal sotong.
What is this? The sambal sotong.
Sotong.
Then what is kerang? I think I will take the kerang.
What is kerang apa bang? Kerang apa?
Kerang
What is kerang apa?
Kerang is cockles. Cockles.
What is that?
It's like clam.
Not my stuff.
What you buy? You buy all lah?
No, I'm not gonna buy all.
Oh, not yours this one.
This is not mine. No.
Oh, then you want this one lah? Kerang?
I think he's taking whatever we're talking. Okay.
Huh? No. Ini siapa punya bang? Kita je.
Oh, selamat lah. So I took my extra. When did I order that?
I don't know.
That was for you.
I also don't know.
I think he just started taking everything that
Okay.
I pointed to.
I think so. Okay, let's go. Wah, kasih satu bagian ni boleh? Oh, everything ah. I think the whole thing.
Yeah, we
How much? I pay.
Nah, it's fine.
Huh?
My turn.
I sure. Order.
What do you want to drink actually? Ayam pas.
Bandung.
Special apa tadi? Satu dewa is lychee. What do you want? They said that the special one is dewa is lychee. Do you want to try bandung?
Kena Bandung lah. Bandung. It's not all ours ah. Don't forget lah. That's all the good stuff.
Yeah, we eat a lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff.
Karaba.
Oh, you have ah? Wow. I think this guy rich ah. This face ah.
Beginning of the month.
Oh yeah, correct. You're right.
I'm rich for 2 more weeks.
Correct, yeah. And then poor for 2 weeks.
Yeah.
After that,
Eat out of nasi and puasa.
66, yeah. Wow.
66. This is a really good price here. I wasn't expecting 66.
Quite pricey, yeah. Let's see. So this is the meal. So he's gonna eat and then gonna review.
Find out whether it's really worth this amount or not. Also very good.
Awesome. Good.
It's good.
It's good. Huh? Worth it? Is it worth the 66 ringgit? Huh?
No.
No, why?
The food is good, but there's nothing pulling you back here. It's not like you'll, like travel all the way from Singapore to come here and have food. No, like even if it's close by.
So you're just laughing at me lah because I have food here. Alright guys, now we just finished eating the nasi lemak. So we are getting dessert.
What's your best seller here?
Best seller is sold out.
Yes.
Alamak, brother, how can like that, brother?
Which one is your best seller?
Which one is the best seller? Pistachio, is it? Oh, obviously, yeah, and blue. Guys, just now we eat the nasi lemak, right? 66 ringgit, no? I think it's normal. It's just normal. I wouldn't say like something wow about it. Now we are at the dessert shop. We're gonna get some dessert. So I got the music so loud. Later I got copyright. So I got the vanilla, the biscoff, and also the Nutella.
Strawberry jam, that's it.
See the inside. See the inside. Eat like a boss. Yeah, really like a boss.
Oh my god, I thought they only had this picture inside.
Huh?
They are basically...
Alright guys, so now I'm going to his place to actually lepak there, slack, and then we'll decide where to go after that. I don't know where I'm going. He just finished work and he meet me at the Nasi Lemak area here. So catch you guys when I'm at his location. Alright guys, before anything, before we head out, I just want to show you guys his apartment view. It's super nice guys. Let me turn the camera around. I mean, you cannot see the view that well, but it's very nice. Tomorrow morning I will take another view and then show you guys. It's actually very beautiful. The apartment is at 19th story and the view is, because it's somehow like elevated, it's like on the hilltop. So tomorrow definitely I will show you guys the view if I don't forget. Right now we are preparing to go out, and then I don't know where we're going. Another friend of mine, and his is driving, so she'll be coming to fetch us at his apartment, and then we just head out. Now it's already like 11 p.m, so I don't know where we're going. So catch you guys when she come here.
Under the stars up in the sky, directions hard to find. Under the stars up in the sky, I don't know where to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, we're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, but we're getting older. Baby, it's you and